In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Figma. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head to the project you want to edit. Once your file is loaded, make sure the text you want to adjust is already on the canvas. Click the text to select it. If your text is inside a group, frame, or component, click until you see the blue highlight around the text layer, or double-click to place the text cursor inside. With the text selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar under the Design tab. In the Typography section, you'll see controls for font, weight, size, line height, and letter spacing. We're focusing on size. Click into the size field and type the exact value you want, or use the small arrow buttons next to it to nudge the size up or down. A helpful tip: using the arrow keys increases or decreases by 1, and holding Shift jumps by 10, which is perfect for quick adjustments and fine-tuning. As you change the size, keep an eye on how your text wraps inside its bounding box. If the text looks cramped or too airy, glance at the line height field just below. Increasing line height slightly as you scale the font up can improve readability. You can also select multiple text layers at once and change their size together, which helps keep headings, subheadings, and body text in proportion. When the text looks right and you're satisfied with the size, you can refine the overall style by changing the font itself. Still in the Typography section, open the Font drop-down and browse the available typefaces. Choose a font that matches your design's tone and pair it with the size you just set. If a font appears too heavy or too light, adjust the weight drop-down to fine-tune the appearance without changing the size. This keeps your layout consistent while achieving the emphasis you want. For screen design, body text often feels comfortable around 14 to 16, while headings scale up from there depending on hierarchy and layout. Always preview at 100% zoom so the text looks as intended in the final product. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your project, select your text, adjust the font size to your preference, and, if you like, switch the font to complete the look. Consistent typography goes a long way, so take a moment to compare sizes across your design and keep your hierarchy clear. Thanks for watching and happy designing.